All right, you're about to close on your home. What's the last step? It's final walkthrough. And that's exactly what it sounds like. You're going to tour the property one more time with one big objective in mind, and that is to verify the condition. So you've gone all throughout this process, you've negotiated potential repairs and credits and all sorts of things. You want to make sure that the massive asset that you're purchasing, your new home, is in the shape that it was negotiated to be. So if it was as is when you put in your offer, then it's going to be in whatever condition it's in. If it's something where you negotiated repairs with the seller and it's required to be in a certain state, you're going to make sure that those repairs have been done. Your agent will come with you, walk through the house with you, and make sure everything looks the way it's supposed to. But this is your chance right before closing to go through the home and verify that everything looks good before you make one of the biggest purchases of your life. So be sure to take your time, be thorough, and stay in open communication with your agent to make sure everything looks the way that you expect it to. And if not, then there may need to be some last minute negotiations or communications between your agent and the seller's agent to make sure everything's in place the way you want it.